testing, 1, 2. Are we live? We are live. Good morning. Good morning. Happy hump day. Happy Wednesday morning, everybody. We are live. Hang on. Why is my charting all messed up? What a crazy pre-markets session we've already had. What a crazy session. Man. Hang on, I gotta check my trade copier or make sure my trade copier is right. All right. Okay, we are ready, chat. Good morning. Oh man, what a morning it has been. Good morning, Jake Dell, Black Coffee Trader. Good morning, Timbo Trades. Good morning, Tech 111, Jack Wiley. Good morning, John Benson, Wainwright Techniques, Zugvest, Microplayer, NP Trader, Cost D1. Good morning, Niles, Sean Trader, Ace Undercover. Good morning, Michael. I am Bruce Lee. Good morning, Tanush. Good morning, Cly, Will Laguth, Chicken FO40, Dean Bishop. Good morning. All right. Man, what a crazy sell-off pre-market. Yesterday, we had a crazy pre-market rip higher, and this morning, we had a crazy move lower. Of course, I did something stupid. Again, second day in a row, I tried to fade the pre-market move, and let's just not do that again. I don't like that. Not a big fan. Not a big fan. I ended up, man, I was such... Anyway, it's fine. We are going to be trading our Lucid and Tradeify accounts this morning. So buckle up. Get your chin strap buckled tight. Make sure you're buckled into maybe a 5-point harness, because I've got a feeling it's going to be a little bumpy today. Going to be a little bumpy ride today. Buckle up. Keep your arms and legs inside the ride at all times. Watch now. Watch this. Watch the market just go sideways now. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Oh, that would be so typical, market. That would be so typical. All right, market. Man, I'm tempted to short this. I kind of want to see what we do up here at the 980s. Like, if we make a move up into the 980s, I want to look for a short, but even looking for a short right here is... I'm kind of tempted here to take a short. Apex wealth charts isn't working for you. Well, I mean, that's just wealth charts. Apex doesn't own wealth charts. Is wealth charts, nobody's wealth charts working? I don't use wealth charts. Hey, good morning, Clarity Trader. Dave Mack, good morning. Peter Scheim, good morning. Martin Scalpulaire, TCM Trades, good morning. RX, Jedith Lord, good morning. Andrea, Maddie, good morning. Oh no, black coffee, you had delayed data? That's crazy. Wow, look at this rip. Okay, let's just sit on our hands for now. I want to see how we react maybe to the 980s. Let's see. Man, today should be a pretty wild day. But I mean, there is also a chance that this thing just rips straight back up. So we got to be careful. Got to be careful. Hey, Future Gamma Scalper, good morning. K Trader, good morning. Sargent, good morning. Max 90, good morning. Straddle prices only implying moderate volatility. That's crazy, though. I would assume that today, FOMC today, I feel like should be a pretty volatile session. It's kind of weird because pre-market, we had more action pre-market than this. I mean, that pre-market move was crazy. Now we're just kind of slowly grinding back higher. Now we're a 100-point move from the lows, so really tempted to take a short here. All right, here we go. About to test that 980. All right, I'm going to look for a short in this area. All right, I'm going to try it. No, that is not what I wanted to see. Getting that little fake move lower now, just straight back up. That is not ideal. Come on, market. You were wanting to go lower all morning long. You wanted to go lower. Now go. I hate it. I don't like this. Trying to be patient. Come on, dump it. I'm just going to close this if we... Somewhere up here, 25,000s. If we retest the 25,000s, This thing is looking like it's priming for a rip higher. I'm getting out. I might re-enter. Yeah, I don't know. This thing looks like we want to go higher now. It's gonna, it's gonna be annoying for me. Hey, good morning, Diego. Tradebate just locked up on you? Okay, that's not good. Do I use Apex with Rhythmic or Tradebate? Andreas, I use Tradebate for all of my connections. Yeah, I don't know, Fred. I mean, I feel like right now this thing is looking like a V-shaped move. I mean, I have a hard time. I'm not buying. I don't know. I think we retest the lows here. I want to see what happens. 25,000s. Can we retest the 25,000s? Let's see if we retest the 25,000s here. All right, I'm going to take another short here. If I get triggered here, I'll take it. Hey, we're in, boys. Let's see a big dump here. Come on. Dump it. Go. I want to see a retest of the lows. Big dump here. Come on. Dump it. Dump it. Let's go. I'm going to take one off now. Let's see if we can't get it riding all the way down. Dump it. Do not wick me higher now. Just want to see a straight red candle all the way down through the 860s. We didn't even test the 25,000s. We didn't quite make it there. Oh, let's go. We are in a supplies trading rate. Oh, really? Hey, Diego, good morning. Have you ever studied options trading? Yeah. I took like an options course on the Thinkorswim platform. They offered like a pretty in-depth options course. I took it. That was years ago. Years ago. I know a little bit about options, but I don't trade them anymore. All right, this is not what I wanted to see. You gotta be kidding me, market. Gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold here. I'm gonna look for a move down to the 880s at the very least. I'm gonna lock out my take profit and my Apex accounts. Man, I'm tempted to add to my position here. Ah, that's so annoying. We just can't have nice things, chat. Are you serious right now? I mean, I'm gonna try the 25,000s here, but man, that is not a good look. What a bad. This is where I get in trouble trying to catch a bigger move. What the heck? Why are you like this, market? Oh, man, that is not good, though. This does not look good for the Bears. Man. Okay, chat, maybe there's hope. Maybe there's hope. Design knob, good morning. Market only goes up. Yeah, it does seem to be true. It only goes up until this morning. It only went down. I'm sticking to my game plan. We're gonna retest the lows. I'm sticking to it. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Kind of wish I would have shorted again at the 25,000s, but I didn't. Need to see a huge, massive dump here. Just straight down, market. You can do it. Dump it. Come on, market. I'm getting... hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Oh, no, I'm sorry, Matty. Good morning, Golf Guy Mike. Wait, gold is doing gold things? Oh, boy. What's gold doing? Wow, I didn't even see this. I wasn't even watching that gold chart this morning. What a move lower on gold. Wow. And oil going parabolic. Crazy. We got to be going lower here. Come on, market. Go low. Come on. Dump this thing. This thing's got to retest the lows, right? Right, chat? Come on. Don't let me down, man. Just go retest the lows. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? This is the important level right here, and it's just going to annoy me if we rip straight back up. That is not what I want to see. We need to get down through the 920s. Down through the 920s, not up, you idiot. So annoying. He's going to annoy me today. I'm going to get annoyed. Dump it. Dump it right here. Do it. Come on. Flush this candle right here, right now. Come on. Do it. If you don't flush this candle, I'm going to close my trade. I'm going to do it. I'm going to... My patience tank is running on empty. Dump it, you idiot. My patience bucket is empty. I'm out. I can't with this. If we retest the 980s, I'm going to take another short. If this dumps right now, there is like a 99.9% chance that I chase this move. Just FYI. Are you serious right now? For those of you that are short, you're welcome. I took one for the team, chat. You're welcome. You're welcome, John. Well, hang on. I don't want to speak too soon. First golf tournament in 11 days and it's still snowing. Oh, that's not good, Matty Matt. One thing about playing up north in the spring, everything is so soft. Everything plays long. Man, I'm honestly shocked that we haven't had a bigger move this morning. I fully expected to see a little more fireworks. Man, I'm going to regret this. We had a 30-degree swing in temperature. It felt like 11 on Monday, and yes, it was negative 20. Oh my goodness. Man, this is now just... Yeah, I don't know, chat. This now looks just ugly. Looks like it just wants to go sideways, choppy. Yes, it is FOMC. FOMC is later today, yes. What indicators are on my chart? This is just the... This is the Wada Atar explosion indicator. And then the bottom one is just volume. Man, we had pre-market volume was more than this. What is going on here? Do I have the wrong contract? No, this is the June contracts. Everybody should be trading June contracts. So if you're not trading June contracts, you should. If you hit the max number of payouts for one account with Apex, are you allowed to keep buying and trading new accounts? You're saying if you would just start with one and get to max payouts? I don't know. If it was me, Diego, I would, if you do that, I would take 5 payouts and then I would start my next PA account. If it was me. I don't have the answer to that. I'm not sure. Wow, look at this. This is so ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Man, I knew this. I knew this could happen. We had the crazy move lower, and then the New York sessions just sideways chop. So insane. By the way, Chad, I am kind of annoyed. On my Tradeify and Lucid accounts, these accounts, believe it or not, I was up over $300 per account on those accounts. And pretty much like an idiot, decided to try to buy the dip on this pre-market move again and gave it all back and then some. I was so annoyed again. Oh, so annoyed. So here we are, kind of the same predicament we were in yesterday with my Apex accounts. What's even crazier, I was pre-market, like I was totally looking for shorts and caught the shorts here and here. But then here at the 25,000 level, I got very convinced that we're going to bounce off that 25,000 level and rip back up into the opening. And that's where I started trading long on my Tradeify and Lucid accounts, and I just couldn't get out of my own way. All right, move right back down. Can we flush the 940s? Right now, the 940s are kind of holding up here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm going to wait until we get out of this range. I don't know. If we get up to the 25,000s, I'm going to look for a short. But this kind of price action, I'm not going to chase breakouts to the downside. It's not worth it. This thing isn't going down anymore. It just can't do it. I know, Latex. It seems like it. So if you hit max number of payouts trading all accounts and they pay you, that's it for you. You can't buy new evals. It just depends, Diego. Again, it depends. They are either going to put you in a live account or they will allow you to go back to eval after a timeout, or they will do the eval ban. I don't know which one it is, but I mean, like I tell people, less than 1% of people make it to their 6th payout. So I would worry about my first couple payouts first, but I mean, I think it's a fair question, but yeah, I don't really know. My trading rate does not match any trading view. Max profits, make sure you're trading the June contracts. Yeah, I agree, high buy. New York right now is just not the play. The overnight session, pre-market sessions are cleaner than the New York sessions so far. All right, here we go, chat. Oh gosh, I almost can't help myself but take this entry. I can't. I'm going to do it. I don't know. I'm going to chase this and I'll regret it later. If this rips higher now, we're going to have major problems. Dump it! Come on! Keep going! Dump it! Dump, 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 dump. Come on. Oh, please do not do this. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm going to lose it. I can't. This market is such a stupid market. I can't. I can't. Gosh, I hate. I'm gonna. I'm not going to say anything like my mom. My mom used to tell me, if you don't have anything kind to say, just be quiet. I know I said I wouldn't chase it. I also said I don't listen every time. Dump it, you idiot! Why is this market so stupid? Man, some days I just can't. I might just close this trade. I don't know. I don't know. This is super annoying. This is super annoying. I'm about to. Man, this is so annoying. This is so annoying. Like, why? Like, what is this? I just want to. Hit the snooze button and come back for FOMC. Man, this is. If you were short, I can't imagine how annoyed. Well, I am annoyed. This is crazy. I don't know. I'm starting to think the market doesn't want to go lower. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, but it's starting to feel like the market does not want to go lower. Crazy. Why am I annoyed? I don't know, Bob. Bob. Hey, good morning, Bella. Bella, can you unplug the market and plug it back in? The current market is broken. Can you please unplug it and plug it back in? I should call Peter Talkman. I should call the Einstein of Wall Street and tell him, hey, could you please unplug the market and plug it back in? It's broken. Trader, it's Jake. Good morning. I'm also starting to realize today might be a day where we see profit, take profit. Not necessary to look for big moves. Just see profit, take profit. I mean, I thought we would see a little bit cleaner moves here at the open, but it has been nothing but a barcoding session. Hey, good morning. Good afternoon, Jim JB. Man, what is... I know, Trader Kevin B. Same. I know it's opposite day. It is Trader Street.
Hey, Dad, want to play this game?
Hey, bud.
Super chill.
And look at that, market right back down. Man. How was my golf yesterday? It was actually pretty good, Jack Wiley. I only played 9 holes, but I was only I was 2 over through 9 holes. So my golf game is, ever since I got my new driver, the new shaft, man, I've been, I don't want to jinx it, but man, things have been good. All right, market. I'm not falling for this again, am I? Or am I? Wish I would have had the nerve to go short at the 980s there, but I just couldn't do it. Yeah, get short, Cody. Oh. Hey, Jim JB, if I'm planning anything when I hit 20K subs, oh, we got to do something. Sure, we got to do something. Man. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do this again, am I not? I can't help my fingers from, oh my goodness. Oh. Hey, Josh Grace. Thank you. Hit the like button. I appreciate it. Oh, this is... I'm so annoyed. I am so annoyed. I am so annoyed. I might, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Man, I'm going to chase this. I'm going to chase it. I can't help it. I can't help it. Don't watch. Just don't watch. Just look away, chat. Don't look at, just don't watch. Go ahead, market. Go ahead. Go ahead and go back higher and let's see what happens. Go ahead. I've got all day. I've got all day and I've got all the time in the world. Go ahead. Try me. Hey, I got all day, chat. I got all day. I got all day, man. I am officially committed. I am committed to the shorts. We are going to make new lows. 860s are going to hit today at some point. I got all day too to get liquidated. I got all the time in the world and let me think. Maybe not all the money, but oh. Market, you might as well go down and take out the 860s because I'm not leaving. I am not going anywhere. So just go. Just dump it and let's get this over with. Come on, it's not that difficult. Dump it! I can't watch it. I cannot watch this stupid. I can't do it. Dump it right here. Come on, market. Just do it. I'm literally not going to watch. I'm not going to watch, chat. I'm not watching this. It's going to annoy me too much. Why? Why? Why is it so hard for the market just to go lower? Like, we're not asking for a lot. Like, we're not asking for that much. We just want the market to retest the lows of the overnight. I mean, how hard can it be? How hard can it be? Absolute joke. I don't care that FOMC is later today. The market can still at least move. Dump it! Right here, do it. Do it, do it. I mean, this is like 10 times worse than trading the overnight session. I'm not lying either. Like, overnight session has better price action than this. This is actually terrible. Dump it! Let's go, chat! Finally! Come on! Go! Yes! Let's go, chat! Let's go! It's too easy! I told you! I told you! Oh, that was painful. That was painful. Oh man, that was brutal. We got it, chat. We taught the market another lesson. And look at it dump down through the 840. Why did I not hold? I guess I said I was going to take profit at the 860s, but could have held. Oh, snap. Hey, congrats if you still got those shorts. Let's go, John. Let's go, John. Oh, look at that dump. Oh, snap. Let's go. Good trade, John. Nice trade, John. I love it. I love it. Finally, we got the move lower. Yeah, I just needed to crack that in 860s, and down we went. 820s now getting tested. Now we just got to make sure we don't get FOMO. We will continue to look for shorts. Come on, market. Chad, I wish I would have held. Story of my life. Story of my life. Hey, let's go, John. All right, let's see. I just want to get a move back up into maybe the 840, 850s. And then we look for more shorts. I don't see why not. Man, it's going to be, it might be hard to get an entry now. It's kind of hard how it was pre-market. Pre-market, it was pretty difficult to get a short entry. You just kind of had to jump in. Hey, good. Hey, time for some sweets. I agree. I had my coffee already and my cookie this morning already. Hey, let's go, RX. You're done with the Lucids today. Locked in another 4K payout. Love to see it, RX. Let's go. Nicely done. Love to see it. Come on. Let's see if we can get a pump right back up into the 860 area. And then we just need a good short setup. Here we go, 840s. Come on, go. Give me a little bit bigger move pump here. This thing could just dump. Hey, whoa, John. John with the $100. Oh my goodness, John. Thank you, John. That is, wow. Let's go, John. Thank you. Round of W's in the chat for John. Thank you, John. You don't have to do that, but I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you, man. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go, John. Thank you. All right, let's see what happens here at the 860s. I am interested in a short. All right, we're in. We're committed to the trend. Come on, market, just dump it straight down. Don't even give me any. We can just go straight back down to the lows here. Go, go, go. Let's go, chat. Come on. All right, I might take profit around the 820s. All right, I'm going to take it off. We're going to take it. Oh, let's battle our way back a little bit at a time. Little bit at a time. Appreciate you and everyone else here. It makes trading so much better not sitting here alone. Thank you, John. Honestly, that's all I want. I think most of my long-term followers know my goal is to provide just having people here chatting, just especially there's people that have been here for 2.5 years, 3 years. And I really appreciate it. It makes trading enjoyable when you can trade with other people that are speaking and thinking in the same, not that we all take the same trades, but we're all fighting the same battle. And I love it. Thank you, John. It is. Trading is a lonely business. I agree. It is. And I agree. We expect a full signal room. Actually, Sean Trader, that's so true. It's like having coworkers. It's actually a good point. It's actually a good comparison. It's like having coworkers. We all do different tasks and we're all doing different things, but we can chat. We can chat and talk together, you know? It makes things, it just makes it way more enjoyable. Especially, what's the most fun part about it is sharing your wins and having people cheering, celebrating with you. And then when you're having bad days, people are there to pick you up as well. And you know you're not the only one going through something. That's honestly that is what is very, very valuable. Because I remember when I started streaming, I've told this before, but when I was watching a lot of streamers before I was streaming, I was only trading and I was in different people's chat, watching different streamers. And I felt like the people I was watching were always winning. Like, it felt like they were always winning, yet I knew that wasn't the reality. And when I started streaming and just showing everything, the good, bad, and ugly, which the first year there was like the bad and ugly, there was no good. It was like every time I would upload a video or do a recap on blown accounts, it was crazy how many people responded with, dude, I just did the same thing, or I've been going through the same struggles. Like, you're not alone. And hey, here we are, slowly but surely. We're making progress, but I really appreciate you guys. I really do. Maybe I don't say it enough, but thank you, John. And then we shared our stories. Oh, man. We share our LOL stories as well. What about losses? I have lots of those. Same. Same, guys. Same. You know what's great? Like, I actually cringe when I think about this, but you know what's crazy? The first year that I streamed for a full year. Sharing my journey, a full year with no payouts. None, not at all. Man, that's crazy. That's pretty wild to consider. I don't know how I'm not sure how I survived that, but somehow we did. Man, this is... Man, this is a tempting short again. I'm going to wait. See if this thing going to start moving higher or not, but share the LOLs. That's right, Black Coffee. Oh, man. Yes, we do empathize. Can't talk. Last year, I started to have some success, and this year you're rolling nicely so far. That's great to hear, RX. I'm telling you, there is definitely such a thing. Like, it was for me, and I know it has been for a lot of other people. Like, once you kind of break the barrier and you start getting payouts, like, there's something about it that once you start getting a payout or two, you start to believe that you can do it. And you start to know that it's possible. And it really, really helps shift your mindset. It's something about it. Like, a lot of people ask, you know, what changed or what clicked or like, and it's kind of hard to explain, to be honest. I mean, obviously, for me, I feel like I just did less dumb things. Like, one thing that I used to do, like, I was so notorious for doing, is when we had a slow grind higher day or even a slow grind lower day, I would just get so convinced that we're going to see, like, I would get so convinced that we can't keep going. And I would I would go against the trend and multiple times just getting wrecked. And I know I stopped doing that after, and that definitely helped. But I mean, it's just one of those things where you start doing more things that are good and less bad things. I don't know how else to explain it, but everybody's on their own different journey. That's the other thing that I think is so important with trading is don't compare yourself to other traders, influencers. It's just, it's the thief. It steals your progress. We're all on our own unique journey, and we got to remember that. Don't. All right, Mark, man, this looks like it's going to keep going lower here. It looks like it. I was there. You came from the PW stream when he pointed out you didn't get a payout yet, and I guess that fired you up. Oh, man, I used to catch strays all over the place. I was known as I mean, I saw the people, I saw other influencers and other people talking. I saw other people talking about me. Trust me, I still got some receipts. There's a couple streamers that, you know, they said they were making fun of me when I wasn't getting payouts. It's all right, but I would much rather be known as a bad trader than a fraud. And hey, we kept it real. It is what it is. You don't remember how you found me? Any updates on Apex removing restrictions? I have not had. I know that they are slowly going through, and there have been a couple people that have been unbanned from eval unbans, but they're kind of doing it at their own pace, and there's not much that I can do. They're kind of going at their own pace, and I was kind of told, hey, everybody will get reviewed, and the unbans will be coming, but it's going to take some time, and they're going to review it, each one. So only thing I know is just to be patient. Hey, Maddie, I remember finding Nutty because Peter was talking too much. I know a lot of people came over from the PW whole drama. Oh, man. Now look at us. Oh, man. Hey, but I appreciate it. No, I mean, I think everybody goes on this journey. And the other thing that I always found kind of funny, like people trying to call me a bad trader and blah, blah, blah. Like, dude, I never said I was a good trader. That was the whole point of doing my channel. The whole point of creating and starting my channel and sharing my journey was to show, like, I fully believe, I still fully believe that I have the ability to be a profitable trader. And I decided, you know what? Like, wouldn't it be cool if I could just document my journey on YouTube? If no one else watches, at least I will have the information. And hey, we can go back in time 3 years ago and watch how I traded and compare it and you basically see the progress. I don't know. And it's like, yeah, people want to insult me and call me a bad trader is like, I'm just like, and I never said I was good. So I don't know what you're talking about. That's where people get kind of, I think people selling a course or selling a Discord service, or they're selling some kind of service, and it's based off of them being a good trader. I think that's why people feel like that's such an insult for a lot of people, where like people that are not selling anything, why would that be an insult? It's like, yeah, I get it. Some days I suck at trading. Breaking news. It's like, yeah, that is true. But anyway, I digress. I'm not the best trader, but I'm a profitable trader. I mean, I would say I'm at the stage now where, okay, there's different stages to trading, where the first year I was trading, I was a terrible trader, and I couldn't even be profitable with prop firms. And then I started being better. And I would say now, like, yes, I'm a profitable trader with prop firms. I'm a profitable trader with prop firms. That doesn't mean the same thing as being a profitable trader with a live account. Like, there is still that difference. And I'm like at this, I'm at like, there's different levels, and people that are trading a live account and are consistently profitable for 2 years or more, not just a 3-month span or a 6-month span, but someone that is consistently profitable on a live account and has a track record of a year or more. That person, like, that's my goal. Like, that is where I want to be. And I'm not there yet. I know I'm not there yet. But that is like my goal, is to have my own live account and be consistently profitable to the point where I have a track record of 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years of trading profitably. That is what I would, if I do that, then I would consider myself a profitable trader. That's how I look at it. Right now, yeah, I'm profitable, but with prop firms. And I do at some point. I'm not sure I'm ready yet. I'm not sure I'm ready yet, but soon, that I want to start a live account, maybe like a 20K live account, and just start to slowly grow the account and see what I can do. But that is like my next kind of progression to do. That's my next objective. But man, this market's all of a sudden just going sideways here. Hey, Michael, I appreciate that. Even if you have got your up and down, you're way better than us. There's better traders in this chat than I am. I guarantee you that, 100%. I have come a long, long way. Stay humble. Do not fall into the douchebags influencer trap. Thank you, Mr. Wall Street. You couldn't have said it any better. Amen. I do not. Yeah, I don't want to fall into that trap. I know I'm a simfluencer. Like, obviously, I realize that. Like, even if I want to be or not, I am. Like, obviously, I make a ton of money from affiliates, from you guys supporting me that way. Yes, and that obviously is a big deal, and I'm not negating that. All I can say is thank you, but it doesn't take away from the fact that I still have the same goal of improving and being a better trader. That's just the main thing I don't want to do, is start trying to, going down the route of, Discord services and education. I'm not doing that. I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but I got approached by some people, and they were really, really trying to get me to do like an educational type of thing. And I did not do it. They were trying to tell me, I don't know, and they even showed proof of this, but it's like, I'm just not doing it. But you could he was showing proof of concept for selling educational material of making $30,000 to $50,000 a month with similar size audience. That is crazy. And there's no wonder that people do it. But if I ever start doing that, chat, just unsub. Just everybody unsub and leave. That way I won't be tempted to do it. But it's crazy how much money is in the educational business. It's crazy. But you know what? I don't need it. I am very, very, very blessed with the affiliate income that I have just from you guys using my code. And I'm not going to ever ask anything more out of you guys than that. If you guys use my code, that's all I need. And if you don't use my code, that's fine too. But it's crazy. There's no wonder the reason people do it. People do a Discord channel and they sell it for, even people that are selling it for like less than $100, and they were making $20,000 a month. Crazy, crazy money. But hey, there's also work that goes with that. The Nutty Tan Line educational course. I'll teach you guys how to draw lines on a chart. You started following me and trading with Travis on the same day. Let's go, Thumper. He does tons of training and makes a fine living. I mean, there's definitely some serious money being made on educational content. No doubt about it. Hey, that's right, Bella. Code NBT. How many years I've been trading? A little bit over 3 years that I've been trading futures. This market just going sideways all of a sudden. By the way, guys, I wanted to show you guys this, and I'm sure you guys have noticed, but look at this. This I find very intriguing. So look at my Lucid accounts and my Tradeify accounts. Do you see this? Here's the thing. I have been copy trading these accounts together since the start. Like from day one, I have copy traded these accounts together. Look at the balances. The Lucid account balances are $300 higher than the Tradeify balances. $300. And it's only because of the commissions. Tradeify has that much higher commission than Lucid on their micros, and it, like, you can actually see the difference. It's kind of crazy. Like over time, I mean, we're only halfway to payout. So by the time we get to a payout, the Lucid accounts could be $600 ahead. I mean, that's a difference between getting to a payout or not for some people. That's kind of interesting. I mean, that's kind of crazy. Hey, the sim commissions. Oh, I know. Hey, Big Tig Energy sim commission. What copy trader do I use? I use Replicanto, the compliant version. When you start 30, 40 micros, that's it. I mean, I think the most micros I do is 20. I did do 20 micros, but I don't do more than that. Like I don't know. I wouldn't say that I trade like an insane amount either. Like on these accounts, I probably trade, I mean, round trip, maybe 10 to 15, 10 trades. So it's not like I'm scalping either. And it's already a 300-point difference. Is there a commission chart comparing prop firms somewhere? Scalpulaire, I'm not aware of it, but honestly, I never thought that it was that big of a deal. But seeing this, it actually has me considering that actually adds up. It actually does add up. Yeah, that's crazy, Niles. Why not trade 2 minis? Well, so I would, if I plan to go big size and I plan to trade 20 micros, then I probably would trade 2 minis. But usually the 20 micros is when I scale into a trade. I normally trade these accounts with like usually 5 to 8 micros on these Tradeify Lucid accounts. So, you know, even if I trade 10 micros, I still want 10 micros so I can, you know, exit part of my position. But yeah, minis are a way better on Tradeify. If you trade minis, the commissions are really not that big of a difference. The 20 micros is never planned. I'm not going to lie, that's true. If I'm in 20 micros, it definitely wasn't a planned thing from the beginning. It was a, uh-oh, we're in trouble, let's DCA. It might have been, that might have happened this morning. That might have happened. Is it possible to trade a Lucid account and an Apex account at the same time with a copy trader? Yes, Andreas. If you have NinjaTrader as your platform, and then you have Tradeovate as your connection, you can use Replicanto and you can copy trade all your prop firms together. How do you handle the anxiety that emerges when trading Scalpulaire? Okay, so if you suffer from anxiety, probably means you're trading too big a size. Too big a size or copy trading too many accounts. So now, okay, I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm not sure this is good advice, okay? So I want to preface this with saying this is probably not good advice, so don't do this, but a great way to lower your anxiety, hear me out, chat, hear me out. So if you're trading one account, let's say you're trading one funded account and you're trading 2 micros, right? And you're having anxiety with that, this will fix your anxiety, okay? Are you ready? So what you do, instead of copy trading one account, you copy trade 10 accounts and you increase your size to 4 micros, and you do that for about 2 to 3 days. Now, your anxiety levels are going to be through the roof for those 3 days. But here's the key. When you go back and you only trade one account with 2 micros, oh, you're going to have zero anxiety. That's how you fix it. Like I said, this is not good advice, but it is actually true. It's true. I know it because I've done it. It's almost like you have to push through your level of, whoa, market ripping higher here. Whoa. Right back up to the 24,900s now. I don't know, chat. This looks interesting. Yeah, you gotta it's like when you're trying to, I'm trying to find a good example here. Solid A+ trading advice. You're welcome, It's Gravity. I mean, it's probably not good advice, but you guys can't deny the fact that is true. It is true. It is 100% true. Because I used to have anxiety with copy trading only 5 accounts. And then I started copy trading 50 accounts. Remember those days? I was copy trading 50 accounts. And then when I went back down to copy trading only 20, I was like, oh, wow, this is really not that bad. It's like, wow, this is a breeze. Oh. Traders Chick, you've done that? You've done 20 evals, full port minis? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, we've all done it. Apex 90% off sale. We go 20 accounts and we full port minis, and you just press the button and then you look at your chart like this. This is what you do. You go like this. Does anybody else do that? Like somehow it makes it better when you look at the chart through your hands. You go like that and it somehow makes it better. We've all done it. We've all done that. Oh man, now do we take a short here? You were hyperventilating. Yeah, it's like you're hiding. It's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. But I have 100% done it. It's like you press the button and you don't even want to watch. You don't want to watch the train wreck unfold, but you kind of want to see it. It's kind of like what you do, or at least I do this when I watch a scary movie. I hate scary movies and I don't watch them. But if I do get to a really, really scary part of a movie, I'll watch it like this. It's like I can shield myself somewhat, and it's like, okay, I can only watch this little portion. Somehow that helps. So maybe if you're having anxiety issues and you trade, maybe just like watch through your hands. That'll help. So maybe that's one way to do it. After the Apex email, I changed from 1 minute to 5 markets to reduce risk. And if I got in over trading, not too bad the amount I lose. So far, it's going great. Right? Let's go, Cuban coffee trader. I love to see it. Love to see it. Full port, buy new, full port, buy new. It's a fantastic cycle. That's right. About the third go around of full porting, your bank will call you. Yeah, we'd like to, we believe we have fraud on your card. And you're like, no, that was actually me. And then the bank's like, wait a minute, you had the same charge from, what is it? Looks like a Apex trader funding. You're telling me you just had the same thing 100 times? And you're like, yeah, that was all me. I don't care what bank you have. That bank guy, he's going back on his lunch break, and confidential or not, he's talking about you at lunch. You know that. We all know it. He's going to his lunch buddies at lunch, and he's going, yeah, guys, you won't believe this. You won't believe this one idiot today. This one idiot, he had like over 100 charges from the same, some kind of prop firm. Yeah, they're laughing about you, and they're like, yeah, what an idiot. Man, can you imagine? That guy's got problems. Can you imagine? Then the next day, the banker goes, it's like, I wonder what this Apex trader funding is. He searches, and then 2 hours later, all of a sudden he's knee deep and getting a call from his own bank. Oh, we've all been there. Not at lunch. He's going to Apex to check out the deal and get it in. Yeah, exactly, AJ. Watch the chart like a child watching a Scream movie. It's true. Don't lie, chat. I know you guys watch the chat like that sometimes. Oh, all right. All right, market. I feel like from now until, 2 o'clock is FOMC, right? Not fraud, just me building my anxiety tolerance. Yeah, you can tell I'm just building my anxiety tolerance. When I told my financial advisor I trade, he told me the only time he saw a grown man cry was when some guy he worked with lost all his money day trading. Oh my goodness, look at this rip. Tanush, that is so true. I'm not very emotional, but there were a couple times when I blew my accounts where I wanted to cry. I would have cried if I'd known it would help. Oh. The banker guy is now using code NBT. The credit card company called me asking about fraudulent charges. I guarantee you every bank is probably like, yeah, it's a known thing. Apex, if they have 100 charges, don't worry, it's normal. Wow, what a rip higher. Up through the 920s. Man, I don't know now. Now I'm kind of feeling like maybe we do need to look at longs. I don't know, man. I'm trying to debate what I want to do for FOMC. By the way, can I trade? I need to do some research. Actually, maybe chat can answer my questions. Can I trade FOMC with Lucid and Tradeify? Does somebody know off the top of their head? I've already locked out my take profit evals and my Apex accounts, so I'm not trading those. But I'm not sure about Lucid or Tradeify. Oh, I'm sure, IB Trader. I am sure. Lucid, yes. Not sure about Tradeify. Tradeify only if you promise to lose money for Brett. Hang on, let me call Brett. Why wouldn't you be able to? I don't know. Some people have a rule that you can't trade the news. Let me, I'll do my own research. Don't worry, chat. I can read, so I can actually look for myself. It's pretty amazing. What a ripper. What a ripper. Man, we've got a decent, I never even looked. Hang on, we got to look at this. Probably shouldn't do this. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. We've been on a pretty nice streak with these Lucid accounts. We need to get this day to green. This is unacceptable. We started, oh, I remember now. This was our first day of trading, and we had a negative day. If we wouldn't have been for that, we'd be very close to a payout. Anyway, what did I want to check? Oh, my Tradeify. Can you trade the news? Yeah, the take profit trader test account or evals, you can trade the news, but you can't do the pros. Did I ever blow 10 to 20 accounts? Robert Digital Artist. Oh my goodness, have I ever? You must be new here. This reminds me of this GIF. Hang on, let me find it. Let me find the GIF I'm thinking about. Why can't I not find it? It's like is it Pirates of the Caribbean where he goes, he's the one guy's freaking out. Hang on. I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it. And he goes, it's the first time. Yeah, this one. This one. That's the one. Have you ever blown 20 accounts? Yes, many, many times. Unfortunately. All right, news trading, news restrictions during high impact news events and economic calendar considers. We do not have any rules against or guidelines around trading news, but you do it at your own risk. Oh, so basically, yeah, okay, we can trade FOMC is what I'm hearing. You guys know if we take one nice trade with one mini, on FOMC, these accounts are right back to plus $600, and we are back on track. What is the most number of accounts I've blown? Man, that's a good question. Let's see if I can find that. Man, I've had some pretty bad ones. I remember a couple that come off, like that I can remember off the top of my head. Guys are going to give me PTSD here. Let's see if I can find it. Oh man, I see if I can find this. This was 6 months ago. And that was 20 accounts. Yeah, this one would have been pretty bad. Yeah, I think it's this day, 6 months ago. This is when I lost all of my, these are the Apex accounts that I had for over 200 days traded. And I blew those accounts. I blew all my Take Profit Pro accounts. I blew my Trade Day accounts. And I'm not sure about these accounts. Oh, Funding Ticks. I think I blew those. So how many accounts is that? 38 accounts, 39 accounts. I think that's got to be probably my worst day ever. I don't know. Got to be. Let's not relive it. Let's try to just move on. That was brutal. I still have PTSD from doing some of those recap sessions. If there is one thing that I hate, I'm not sure I hate anything more than doing a recap session after I blow an account. Oh my gosh. I just hate it. I hate it, but then I force myself to do it kind of like as a punishment. But I always feel better. I always feel better after the fact. After the fact, I always feel better, but man, so brutal. It's like I just feel very exposed. Hey, Shalak, you used my code on Lucid. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. God, I have to say, Lucid Trading is turning into a very, very popular prop firm. At least if I just look off of my affiliate commissions, I can kind of see, at least get some kind of idea. And I would say Lucid has surpassed Tradeify with what kind of people prefer to trade with, or who they prefer to trade with. So pretty cool. Blew 39 accounts and I'm still standing. I remember those. That's if you go back and look at my expenses. Actually, do I still have them? Let me see if I can find it. I think I can. I know I have it somewhere here. Because that was 6 months ago. I think that was like October. But that is why my expenses were right here. September, October, November, December, my expenses started to really increase because of that blow up. So you can always tell there's a direct correlation between my expenses and when I blow up because, hey, the only way to get accounts back up and going is to, you got to spend money. Unfortunately. Okay, snap. Oh, man, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, maybe we probably should have taken a short, I guess, but that was a 100-point move higher. Now we're right back down, testing the 880s. I could probably trade this. Oh, man. Kind of cautious right now. You used my affiliate code on 20 Apex accounts a few days ago. Thank you, Ash. Thank you. Like I said, you guys are so kind. I really, really do appreciate you guys supporting and using my codes. There's a lot of codes that you guys can use. So I really do appreciate it. Is Apex still first in what you prefer or in what people prefer? RT7? I mean, it depends. Obviously, I don't know about, I mean, supposedly Top Step is like the largest. I think they are, but I'm still, the whole thing, like what they shared on their Discord and their payouts they shared on their Discord, that's very sus. Very, very sus. So I don't know that I even believe what's on their Discord, but I don't know. They basically said, you know, hey, we post our payouts, but once their payout data was exposed, then all of a sudden they were like, oh, well, actually, it's we don't post all our payouts. It's actually this. But literally didn't provide any proof. Literally just said, just, you know, trust us. So I don't know. Doesn't quite add up in my mind, but whatever. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I would say it's probably Top Step. It's Top Step, Apex, and then I would say it's Lucid and Tradeify, My Fund of Future. Actually, no, Take Profit Trader. Sorry. This is just in volume. Like if I would just have to get, this is just me guessing. But if I had to guess based off of volume, it's probably Top Step and then Apex and then Take Profit Trader and then Lucid, Tradeify, and My Fund of Futures. You know, then you got some of the other smaller, Fund It Next maybe. I don't even know. I'm sure there's a bunch of other ones that I'm missing, but that's just my opinion. Did you see MP post the all-time payouts for the last 14 years in February were off? Was 10% of all payouts ever? That's why they changed their rules. Well, no, it wasn't February. It was November, December. So December, they had a huge increase in payouts. And then they made their rule change and they dropped 50% month over month. They dropped close to 80% of their payouts in January to February. Like that's the thing. And that is like directly from their Discord. Like that is literally getting their numbers directly from Discord. Okay. And they said that's, you know, that all their payouts are posted on Discord. But then when I showed that and I posted it, because it didn't look good, then they backtracked and were like, actually, no, it doesn't include all of it. Yet somehow the payouts were accurate all the way up until January. And then all of a sudden in January and February, then all of a sudden the payouts data on Discord all of a sudden isn't accurate anymore. Like, I'm sorry, but that I ain't buying it. I don't buy that, man. If the data was always accurate in the past, why would it change all of a sudden? It just changed. They just didn't like that somebody showed it, so they were backtracking and trying to make all these different excuses. Hey, Mr. Knife Art. Thank you, Mr. Knife Art. I appreciate that. Let's go. I appreciate it, Mr. Knife Art. You've been a long time. I remember I remember you from 3 months, like 3 years ago. Love to see the profit calendar. How do you decide when is enough for the day? What specific daily profit numbers make you happy enough to stop trading? So as far as my profit, like my profit goals is on my Apex accounts, anywhere from $200 to $500, I'm happy. Depends how the day is going. Like if I start out the day and I just immediately I'm in profit and I will keep going. If I have $400 in profit, then I have one losing trade and it go down to 300, I'll probably lock out. But $200 to $500 on my Lucid and my Tradeify accounts, I do push those. I do trade those a little bit bigger size, and those targets are probably anywhere from like 400 to 600, 300 to 600 in that area. And then Take Profit Trader is kind of its own unique thing. If I have a Take Profit Pro account, if I'm trying to get it above the buffer, then I kind of look for a little bigger days. Once I'm above the buffer and I can do the daily payouts, then I just look for like $100 to $200 days. Or I did. And then last week I got greedy. Actually, no, that was this week. I got greedy and I tried to go for more and paid the price. Payout page on Apex is not great either. You can't page through the detail for the past 3 months any longer. Yeah, Josh. I saw that. Yeah, I don't like that either. I wish I really, I don't know. You know what I think? Here's my take. My 2 cents. I wish every prop firm would post their payouts and their pass rates and payout rates every month. I wish it would be like an industry-wide requirement for a prop firm to do. I really wish I would be in total favor of that. Like, I wish every prop firm was required to post their payout total. And this is important. The payout total has to be money that is sent to someone's bank account. Okay? A payout cannot be classified as a payout when you transition someone into a live account and you take their profits and move them into a live account. That is not a payout. That it is only a payout when the money goes into your bank account. But I would love to see that data across all prop firms. And I don't think it's going to work if only 1 or 2 prop firms do it. Every prop firm should be required to do it, in my opinion. It should be the pass rate on evals, the payout rate on funded accounts. Those 3 metrics. That's all I would ask for is those 3 metrics: payout amount, the payout rate, and the eval pass rate. That's it. And I think that would be really good for the industry. Number one, it would basically give people a realistic expectation, and it would just really help with the transparency. I'm done for the day. Nicely green. Let's go, RX. That's awesome. You're liking the MF rapid daily payout. That's awesome, Faisal. Thanks for the answer. This is one of the most valuable information that bothers me. To me, almost the same amount, 250 to 500. Yeah, if you're once you're happy with that, but the thing is, Pio Plasinski. So it is important to have a daily profit goal where you're happy with walking away. Equally important, though, you have to be okay with some red days. You have to be. It's the hardest part. I struggle with it. But it is like yesterday, for example. Yesterday, we had a $250, or I did. I don't know why I keep saying we, but whatever. I had a $250 red day on my Apex accounts. And I decided in the afternoon, you know what? I'm just going to shut it down. I walk away and accepted the $250 red day. This morning, I was so glad. It didn't seem bad. It didn't seem that bad at all. What is my eval pass rate? Not great, honestly. My eval pass rate on Apex is terrible. It's like 20%. It's not good. It's not good at all. It's way lower than their standard, I think. Because I used to be an absolute degenerate, and I would only try to pass 20 accounts at a time. And that gets very yikesy. I pulled a detail weekly and did dashboards with my payouts compared to Simfluencers. There's truth around a lot of these Simfluencers not being the great traders. Oh, I agree, Josh. Yep. All right, market. I don't know what I'm looking for. The trade I was looking for all day happened, and now I don't even know that I'm really looking for any kind of setup here. I think we got to wait till FOMC comes and then see what happens with FOMC. Oh, I forgot to check to see if my... Okay. We're back. Yeah, I don't know. You know what I might do, chat? I do need to run some errands. I need to run some errands. I need to make a couple deliveries. I might sign off right now. And then I don't have any plans this afternoon. So I will be trading FOMC. Don't forget, we take losses. I make winning trades. I thought about that, Tanush, when I was saying it. What is the normal pass rate? Normal is like 30%. I think actually I'm going to do that. I'm going to end the stream now. But then I'm going to be back probably around 150. I'll be back about 150 this afternoon, and we will stream and trade FOMC. I think that's the best. That way I can run and do my errands now, and then I'll be back in time to stream and trade FOMC. So let's do that. All right, chat, I will be back. And this afternoon, let's do a giveaway. We can do a giveaway this afternoon. So we will be back around 2 o'clock this afternoon. So take care.